Finally got this thing going. Let's see here. The clouds will stay away. Let's get this thing tuned up a little bit. All right, just gonna get a little focus here. Clouds have been an issue all day, so they're going to be with us for a little while. So sorry about that. Trying to get stuff set up in between the clouds. Hopefully it'll stay this way. We're viewing the sun and hydrogen alpha today using the Lunt LS60. Let's see if I can pull up chat here. Can't really see anything chat wise. All right, I think I figured this part out. All right, well, we're just going to sit back and enjoy this huge solar sunspot that's going on right now. And lovely humidity here in South Carolina today. I hope everyone is having a good time, good day. And we'll just see how long this lasts. Again, we're just out here checking out the sun and hydrogen alpha today. There are some really big prominences going on right now, but I don't know how long we'll be able to keep this up. As you can see in the webcam with the GoPro, looking at the telescope and all, you can see the clouds are everywhere. The wind's starting to pick up. Um, there is a chance for thunderstorms. So I'm not sure how long we'll be able to do this, but practice makes perfect. So we're out here giving it a try. So let's see here. How to do this. There we go. You see my ugly mug there. But just fighting with the clouds. And it's just going to be an ongoing battle today. But really, this nice big sunspot here in the center is what we're looking at today. Hopefully the clouds go away. We can boost it up and let you look at some different features, but I'm not sure how well that will go today. But we're going to try to keep it going for as long as we can. Let's see if we get some little adjustments made here. It's not tracking very well due to the clouds, which kind of knew that was going to happen. But we're going to try to do this for a little while. And we might be able to. Oh, come on, clouds, work with us. The sun is beautiful. Those clouds are really starting to pick up. Gosh, you can't catch a break around here. If it's not severe storms, it's clouds, then it's fog. So we're if I can't boost it up, look at those ginormous prominences today around the rim. Look at those. Those are just amazing. Look at those clouds come by. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty big cloud. I don't know if we're going to get past that one in just a few minutes or not, but You can see it on the GoPro, as you can see over in this area, clouds. But those proms are amazing. I think that's gonna get it right there. Yeah, can't beat Mother Nature. So we'll let it try like this for a few more minutes, and then we can at least say that we did our due diligence in trying to make this work. Right now, it's saying it won't even track. Of course, it won't track. We have lost the sun. It did get cooler out here, though. I mean, it was getting pretty warm with the sun beating down. I was able, though, um, I was able before this clouds happened, before the clouds took over. That is, I was able to actually get some data. So a little later this evening, I'll process that solar image. Hopefully, it's a good one. I don't know if you can hear all the birds chirping or not, but I'm just going to double check the forecast again, make sure we're not in any kind of storm's path or anything. Just bear with me for a second here. Yeah, the sun's back. We got some pretty good clouds coming, but there's a couple of bands in between. So let me see if I can give you some really good views of the sun here while we have a chance. Um, just got to get through this one little cloud band. All right, so now you can see the proms there. Um, it's getting ready to come out of this one cloud, and then what we can do is we can invert it like this, and you can see the proms that way. That's pretty cool looking right there. Kind of give you a different perspective on the proms. And this will give you some feature enhancement here to see what it looks like. But again, we're battling the sun here. I mean the sun. We're battling the clouds. So at least I was able to get it on there for at least a few seconds. We are trying to observe the sun today. Trying to, that's the key word, trying. And it's just being difficult, that's all. That's all right. Giving it our best. There's that beautiful sunspot right there. Man, that thing is looking amazing. Look at that. Ah, just as we get right up on it, clouds come. That's right. There it is. Look at that. Look at the amazing detail inside of that sunspot. That thing is huge. Oh, we're in a big band of clouds right now. I'm looking through the trees and you can see uh you can see right up in this area here all these clouds we're getting. It's just steady coming this way. So we're going to be in that band of clouds here for at least a few moments. So um hopefully it'll come back good enough for you can see that sunspot at least one last time. Yeah, there it is. Look at that thing. That's quite amazing right there. Got some big filaments going on. It's just a nice day if we can get rid of these clouds. Hopefully it clears up for tonight, but all right. I may let it sit here for a few minutes, go grab some water and come back, but we probably won't let it last too much longer because it's it's just going to be a losing battle here with these clouds. But it's working. You can see the sun. It's getting hot out here. All right, I think we're going to end it there since the clouds are pretty much set in. Um, I'd like to thank everyone who stopped by just for a few minutes to check out the sun today. We give it a shot. The clouds were supposed to have cleared up by now, but they're just not gonna let go. They're gonna hang around. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this. Go inside and try to process that image and get it posted for y'all. Uh, so everyone, thanks for stopping by and clear skies. Until next time.